While you may be studying online at Monash for now, you'll have access to a range of easy-to-use tools and resources. Monash's online tools include Zoom, Moodle, Echo 360 and Panopto. These tools enable you to easily access your coursework, submit assignments and chat to your teachers when you need help. You're also able to watch practical classes and interact in real time. It's almost like being there in person. The library has a range of online resources that can help you through your studies, such as access to online reading lists, library guides, online tutorials and study tips. You'll also have access to virtual library drop-in sessions, workshops and classes with librarians and learning skills advisors who can help you with learning at university, researching and writing assignments, right through to preparing for exams and much more. If you run into technical trouble or need advice about the equipment you'll be using for online study, you can contact the technical department, eSolutions, for help. They'll run you through everything you need to know. Monash is here to help, and they've got everything you need to succeed.